What is inventory turnover ratio? Inventory turnover ratio is a key financial metric that measures how efficiently a company manages its inventory. It helps us assess how quickly a company sells its goods and replaces them with new inventory over a specific period, usually a year. Now, you might be wondering, why is this ratio important? Well, a high inventory turnover ratio often indicates effective inventory management, which can lead to reduced carrying costs and increased profitability. On the other hand, a low ratio might signify overstocking or slow sales, potentially impacting a company's financial health. To calculate the inventory turnover ratio, you'll need two values. 1. Cost of goods sold, COGS. This represents the total cost of producing or purchasing the goods that a company sells during a specific period. 2. Average inventory. This is the average value of the inventory held during the same period. The formula for inventory turnover ratio is simple. Inventory turnover ratio equals COGS divided by average inventory. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose company X has a COGS of rupees 500,000 and its average inventory is rupees 100,000. To find the inventory turnover ratio, inventory turnover ratio equals to rupees 500,000 divided by rupees 100,000 is equal to 5. So, company X has an inventory turnover ratio of 5, which means they sold and replaced their inventory 5 times during the year. Now, interpreting this ratio is equally important. A high ratio, like the one we just calculated for company X, could indicate efficient inventory management. However, it's essential to consider the industry's standards and the company's specific circumstances when analyzing this ratio. Factors affecting inventory turnover ratio. Several factors can influence the inventory turnover ratio, such as seasonal fluctuations, industry trends, and the company's business model. It's crucial to keep these factors in mind while making conclusions based on the ratio. In summary, the inventory turnover ratio is a vital metric for assessing how efficiently a company manages its inventory. It can provide valuable insights into a company's financial health and operational efficiency. So, whether you're a business owner, investor, or simply interested in finance, understanding this ratio is a valuable tool in your toolkit. That's it for today's video. If you found this explanation helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more informative videos. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.